I've waited for this moment for a long time. It's a moment that we all have been praying for, because we want to live a river state that will be remembered. River states that can compete, and river states that can stand the test of its states. River State, among the League of Other States, used to rank among the first. People were leaving other places to come and stay, live and do business in River State. It got to a time when things turned around. Maybe, would I call it expansion of the states? Because normally development comes with its own challenges. But on the other hand, it's not really the cause. It was mismanagement of our blessing, channeling our blessing into the wrong cause. And this, in one way or the other, set River State to a state that it became very pitiable economically. We might be celebrating that, yes, we have a very fertile location where we've been able to improve our IGR. But we still have a lot to do, and that has to do with this agency. The purpose of this agency is to give our people to assure them that River State can still come back to that enviable position that it once occupied. Those people that were doing business in River State that left for one reason or the other, they can still come back. People who intend to come back and invest, because River State is blessed. It has its oil. It has the most important item for development today, which is gas. It has it in abundance. So the purpose of this commission, or this agency, a lot of people don't even understand why we had to take the pains to select these very respectable men who have made their names in their respective fields to man this agency, so that they can be the gateway, one-stop shop. People that are coming here will know that River State is now serious. River State is not about coming and I now take the side of maybe I'm interested in 10% or 20% of what you're coming with. That is not the purpose now. The purpose is to build our state. The purpose is to grow this state economically in such a way and manner that even if we don't get federal allocation anymore, we can sustain ourselves with our IGR. The responsibility of this agency is going to be very big. It's going to be challenging because I know they will want to fight back. But I know that this crop of men and women has what it takes. They're disciplined. A few of them that I've had interaction with have shown that they are people who are principled. And I am very convinced that they are going to lead River State to where we want to. Let me say it here, let it be on record. I had to beg him. I even had to send emissaries to him to plead with him. He said he doesn't want to get anything doesn't want to get involved with any political thing. I said it's not about politics. You live in Lagos, you have made your name in Lagos. Please come and help us. We need help. River State needs to be salvaged. Look at what is happening in Transamadi. We can make Transamadi come back to what it used to be. We can develop the resources we have in One. We have Obebema, gas hub. These are promises we made during our campaign, and we must fulfill those promises. So I want to charge you. I know that by the special grace of God, and I have no doubts that they are going to make us proud. Let me officially inaugurate you. Wish you the best. My door will be open. If there's any challenge anywhere, be free to call my attention to it. I'll give you all the necessary support to make sure that you succeed. I am not just inaugurating you because of I want to inaugurate, for sure. I want it to be a serious business for the interests of River State. For the interests of River State. Not just issues of people coming to build houses and other things. I want your concentration to be more on agriculture. People are coming in to invest. People that are coming to build factories. Because it's only when we start production, employment issues will be resolved. Employment issue, when resolved, production, when you're involved in manufacturing, is a lifetime thing. It grows from one stage to a second stage to a third stage. They call it in production line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4. It's a continuous thing. It can't go back. There is no retrogression. Rather, it is going up and going up. So please, those areas that will solve the problem of unemployment, create wealth for the state, should be your focus. Let me thank you on behalf of the government of River State and wish you the best. Thank you.
The River State Executive Council, Honorable River State Executive Council members here present. Chief Abiy Sekibo, our distinguished guests, and even though I've gone halfway through, permit me to stand on the protocol that already existed. Your Excellency, on behalf of the board, the governing board of the River State Investment Promotion Agency, we say a very big thank you to you. We thank you not just for appointing us, but we thank you because it's an honor to be given an opportunity to serve. There are many people out there who are willing to serve, but they never get the chance. And the fact that Your Excellency has taken the time, the effort, and consulted widely to invite what I see as a very distinguished, a proven, tested crop of one lady and her gentleman to come and serve the state is testimony to your foresight. We thank you, sir. For us, it's a great honor. Your Excellency, we have heard, listened very attentively to your charge. And that charge resonates, I believe, with everybody in this room. This is a time of, whether we like it or not, for many people, a time of despair, a time of problems, a time of challenges. And everybody has an option. Your cup can either be half full or your cup can be half empty. Your Excellency has decided that the cup of River State shall be completely full. For every challenge, there is an opportunity. And what Your Excellency has done is to tell us, go and look for those opportunities. This state used to be the treasure base, or known as the treasure base of the nation. The charge is to restore it to be the treasure base of the nation. The charge is to make the River State economy probably the 10th or 12th largest economy in Africa, standing on its own. The charge is to turn River State into the Dubai of Africa. That is what you have told us to do. It's not going to happen overnight. And it's not going to happen just through us. It's a collective effort, Your Excellency. But we are convinced that with your support and with the kind of leadership that you are already providing, it is very, very possible in the shortest period of time to start the transformation, to change the narrative. And once the ship has left the port, nobody can stop it. Your Excellency, investors, money have choices. No matter how potentially attractive a business proposition is, where there's insecurity, where there's confusion, where there's bureaucratic red tape, they will run away because they have choices. Money is a coward. And one of the things which your administration is trying to do is to restore security, safety of life and property security of tenure. If you buy land, you know that your title is secure, because without security of tenure, you can't get a loan. These are the things which your administration is doing, which will go a long way to achieving the goal which you have set, Your Excellency. I am happy that the Director General of this new agency, and that's another thing, it's a brand new agency, and so we don't have any excuse. What comes out, we are the ones who will shape it. This board will try its best to provide oversight. This board will try and provide policy guidance. This board will try and use the rich connections which it has to reach out locally and internationally. But in all of this, our youth should stop being applicants. We want to create an environment where the unemployed become entrepreneurs. They become employers of labor. We want to double, triple the internally generated revenue of the state from our own homegrown businesses. We're not just looking for people to bring their money from outside. It's been proven time and time again, Your Excellency, and I do apologize for going on, that if the owners of a place don't invest, outsiders will not come to invest. And so your charge to us is to make Rivers State attractive for Rivers people. And when Rivers people invest, the whole world will come and invest. We thank you, Your Excellency, for giving us this opportunity. We shall do our best to help all the other organs of government to work together with, not in competition with, but together with all agencies of government, ministries, departments, and agencies, to reduce red tape, to work around policy inconsistency. Your Excellency, what you have said is that, and we all hear it very clearly, and I conclude here, is that you want to simplify investment into Rivers State. You want to make investment in Rivers State seamless. And by the grace of God, and with your support, this will happen. Thank you very much, Excellency.